Hey there! In this quick demo, I'll show you how to export product categories from Odoo to your WooCommerce store using the Ksolves WooCommerce Connector. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Check existing synced categories. From the home menu, go to WooCommerce. You'll see we've already synced 67 categories with our WooCommerce store. Step 2. Create a new category in Odoo. Now, let's add a new category. Click the home menu, navigate to Sales, head to Configuration. Product categories? Click New. Give your category a name, let's say 14th April. Hit Save. Step 3. Push the new category to WooCommerce. Next, click Push to WooCommerce. Choose the WooCommerce instance you want to sync with Click Execute. That's it, the new category has now been pushed to your WooCommerce store. Step 4. Verify the category in WooCommerce. Let's switch over to the WooCommerce store. Go to Products, then Categories. And there it is, your freshly created 14th April category is live. Step 5. Export all our existing categories from Odoo to WooCommerce. Here's how. Open the WooCommerce connector in Odoo. Go to your instance, click on Specific Operation, then Operation Flow. Choose from Odoo to WooCommerce. Export Operation, Export Categories, select Export with All and click Execute. Step 6. Monitor the export process. Now go to Process, then Queue Jobs. You'll see the job created and syncing in real time. All categories are now being exported from Odoo to WooCommerce. And that's how easy it is to manage and sync your product categories using the Ksolves WooCommerce Connector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help.